Welcome to the Direct Messaging Service web app application, provided to you by Stephen, Justin, Joshua, and Dominick. When people are separated from their usual support networks, they often need a private and dependable way to stay in touch with friends and family, especially without relying on mobile devices. This creates a new for a secure web-based messaging tool that works across different devices and keeps conversations safe and accessible. This project is developing a browser-based chat application that allows two users to exchange text messages in real time through a simple, user-friendly interface. Messages are securely stored on a server, so the conversation history can be accessed later if needed. The app uses SSL, TLS encryption to keep all communication secure. The system is built with front-end software for the user interface and back-end software to handle the core functionality. When a user visits the app, they enter a chat name, which acts as their ID during the session. The app then generates a unique link tied to that session. The user can share this link with someone they want to chat with. Once the other person clicks the link, they are both taken to a shared chat room where they can begin a private, real-time conversation. The chat interface is designed to clearly show who said what. Messages sent by the user appear on the left, and messages from the other person appear on the right. This visual layout helps users easily follow the conversation and recognize each sender. To ensure privacy, all communication is encrypted using SSL, TLS protocols. The final version of the messaging service will be presented through a video demo, and the full project files will be made available for download by stakeholders. Using the link provided at the top, HTTPS is a secure socket layer for secure encryption during transmission. As the user navigates towards the application, here you see is the home direct messaging service. Please always remember, while using this service, do not share any personal information. The user will first enter the name of the chat. After he enters the name of the chat, he will click Enter Chat Name. As you can see, the font changed into My Chat Room that the user initially put in. Now the user will load the chat. This will complete that initialization process. Now this application is ready to be sent a message. As you input your message here in the yellow, as it highlights to let you know that the input field is active, you then click Send. When you click Send, this information is generated. The user will share this link, and then when the user shares this link, they can also access it for themselves here. So now, to the left is the host, and to the right is a friend. As you can see on the friend, this does not say My Chat Room. So what the friend has to do at this moment is just refresh the page. Now everything is initialized and set in place. So now the friend just have to load the chat by clicking the Load Chat button. Hello came from the host. The host can also click Load Chat button, and he will also see the same message, hello, that he sent initially. To differentiate the difference between the host and the friend, it is best that the friend changes his color and not the host. The friend will have to click on the blue in the color scheme Once he clicks on it, the friend must refresh. Once the friend refresh, he can now send a message. Hi, I am Blue, sent in the message input field. The friend will now hit send. And don't forget to load the chat. Now, the friend and the host sees the same exact things. In the host browser, I will insert I am the host. And now we'll hit send. Now, the friend sees it. In the friend browser, I will put I am friend. And I will send it. Now the host sees it here. As you can see, the friend is on the right, the host is on the left. The friend can also change his color at any time. But it's best not to. Depending on how many people, groups of individuals that are in this chat, they all can have a selected color to differentiate who's speaking. So let's try green. Don't forget to refresh. And load the chat. Now let's type I am green. As you can see, the third person, whoever's in the chat, can also be color coded and moved to the right so that the host can always tell who is here and how to differentiate his text from the other. But the friend just needs to look at his colors. If the color is blue, chat person number 2 knows he is blue. If I am green, chat person number 3 knows he is green. And as you can see, there's padding to the right. The padding will also help to differentiate who is chatting on the right. Let's try magenta for the friend. Load the chat. I am here, says magenta. Send. And as you can see, blue padding is the same. Green is padded further out, and the dark magenta is padded even further. Let's try one more. Let's try red. Load the chat. I am red. As you can see now, red also has its own padding. It's a little before the dark magenta and a little after the green. To end the chat, to delete all data, only one person is required to end the session by clicking on the end session at the bottom left. In the session data area, you will see my chat room, match chat room direct. Both of these are files stored on the server to identify that there is a connection. So when one person ends the session, let's say the friend, you will now see here the file is not found. All data on my chat room is now gone. The friend is redirected back to the initialization screen. The host can do the same or just close it out. This concludes our direct messaging service discussion. Thank you for joining.